Hello everyone. Our topic is all about management of fall armyworm on onion. So what is fall armyworm? Fall armyworm is a type of Spodoptera frugiferta. It is a migrant pest and it is a native to tropical and subtropical regions of the Western Hemisphere and regularly migrates to cooler regions in the summer. A fall armyworm has a very wide host range with a preference to grasses. Small fall armyworm larvae are usually light green to brown with dark head capsule. However, large fall armyworm larvae becoming darker as they mature with pale with stripes along the length of the body. Fall armyworm larvae populate in the soil. So, ang pangingibang lugar ng insekto ay namamanahon at kalimitang binubuo ng malaking pulutong. Kaya tayo nabibigla kung bakit biglang dumadami ang ating onion armyworm sa ating mga taniman. The other term of fall armyworm in Tagalog is harabas. Here are the some species of fall armyworm. The first one is rice swarming caterpillar. It is a type of Spodoptera mauritia. The second one is common cutworm. It is a type of Spodoptera litura. And the last one is rice ear cutting caterpillar. It is a type of Mitimna separata walker.
Life cycle of fall armyworm. Fall armyworms can complete its life within 23 to 27 days from egg laying to emergence of adult moth. When suitable temperatures and host plants are present, the egg hatch within 2 to 4 days after being laid on the lower left surfaces. After hatching, larvae complete 5 to 6 growth stages within 14 to 22 days of hatching to reach maturity. Once mature, larvae drop to the ground where they pupate for around 8 to 9 days in warmer months and 20 to 30 days in cooler areas. Next, female moth lay most of their eggs within 4 to 5 days of mating but continue laying for up to 2 weeks. Fall armyworms does not diapause. During the pupal stage, populations are unlikely to establish in areas where temperatures fall below 9 to 12 degrees Celsius and where frosts occur. Female armyworm can lay 800 to 1,000 eggs that hatch into million worms. The life cycle of the armyworm is first, eggs are laid. Susunod is larval stage. Then, larval stage is the very dangerous stage. Sunod is pupal stage, and then the adult female lives an average up to 10 days up to 21 days.
Damage and symptoms. The caterpillars eat the leaves. The young ones feed on the outside, scraping the surface. The larger ones make irregular holes in the leaves or eat the leaves completely. Fall armyworm, damaged by larger larvae in many crops, produces similar symptoms on foliage to that caused by other caterpillars and chewing insects. If you see symptoms, carefully examine the plants for larvae to identify which species are present. Causes damage by feeding on both vegetative and reproductive parts of both plants. Fall armyworm larvae damage crops through defoliation.
Management control. Know if the pest is in your area. Follow up with regular in-crop monitoring for larvae and signs of damage. Optimize control costs by timely application of selective insecticides on above threshold populations. Approach control with an IPM focus and take advantage of natural enemies. Know which chemicals are likely to be most effective on fowl. Know which chemicals are not effective on fowl. Be mindful of the effect your insecticide sprays could be having on other pests in crop. Action. Be mindful of the effect your insecticide sprays could be having on other pests in the crop. Actions to minimize risks. Weed control is important. Control of weeds and grasses, etc. Fall tillage can help destroy overwintering pupae. When applying insecticide, always follow the label.
The next one is the management of fall armyworm. So, pinapakita ko lang dito na yung pulutong na dumadating ng mga paru-paro ay minsan ay bumababa sa isang lugar. Kung makikita nyo itong larawan sa itaas sa kanan, kaperaso lang ng bukid yung inatake. Samantalang yung nasa ibaba ay napakalaking area ang apektado. So depende yan sa dumadating na pulutong ng mga paru-paro. At dito naman sa kaliwang bahagi, makikita nyo yung mga bilog na mga pula dyan. Yan ay ang mga itlog. So kung ganyan, yan karami ang iniitlog ng mga dumadating ng mga paru-paro, talagang magkakaroon tayo o pwede tayong mabigla na makikita na lang natin ang ating tanim ay grabe ng atake ng ating onion fall armyworm. Mga pesting uod ng sibuyas. So balikan lang natin yung iba-ibang uod na umaatake sa ating sibuyas. Ayon kasi sa aking pakikipag-usap sa mga farmers, may iba't iba sila o hindi pa nila masyado kilala ang harabas ng sibuyas. Ang sabi ng isang farmers, ang harabas sa kanya ay yun lamang kulay brown. Parang dito sa larawan na inyong makikita. Subalit, ang isang farmers naman na doon din sa aming lugar na aking pinagtanungan, sinabi lang niya na harabas kung ang kanyang sibuyas ng dahon ay maraming uod. So, walang kinalaman sa kulay o anuman, basta maraming uod sa loob ng ating sibuyas. Pero, makikita din natin talaga sa larawan na hindi lang brown o green. At dito, sa marami ang uod sa kanang bahagi, makikita natin na pwedeng lumabas yung itim, brown, berde na kulay ng ating harabas ng sibuyas. So, may kakayahan talaga silang magpakita ng iba't ibang kulay. Ito ang iba't ibang kulay na kalimitang lumalabas kapag makapal ang density o makapal ang uod sa isang lugar. Pagbibitag gamit ang sex pheromone. Sa larawang ito naman, makikita din ang isang halimbawa ng paghuhuli ng mga insekto, gaya na lamang ang lalaking paru-paro. Ang pheromone traps A ay isang virgin female at B naman ay synthetic sex pheromone. Mga bagong inisyatiba ng gobyerno suporta sa paghahanap ng solusyon sa problema ng mga fall armyworm. So namahagi ng sex pheromone lure para sa onion armyworm at cutworm sa mga sibuyas. Makikita sa larawan, mas malaming nahuhuling armyworm gamit ang beta pang armyworm A kumpara sa nahuling cutworm gamit ang beta pang cutworm B. That would be all.